Yes, Kelly. Kelly Barnett, Laura?
Hi, Paulina.
Hi.
Okay, hear us okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
Paulina, I have to sort of preface this phone call. I just wanted to at least get in touch with you today, but I'm sort of away for the next 4 days and in training, but I wanted to kind of just follow up.
June, you'll be back like June 10th?
Talk about having a meeting further, like arranging a face-to-face meeting.
Okay, so after June 10th, 2019?
Well, maybe I can swing something over my lunch break or something. I'm gonna see, because I understand there was a lot of things that had happened last night.
A lot? Not really. I mean, I was in the middle of making dinner for everybody here, and the visit was going really well.
Okay. And
it wasn't like crazy or anything.
But she sometimes shows up.
Yeah, no, I had no problem with her just like showing up.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it was mentioned before about the occasional periodic pop-ins. You know, I hadn't seen her in months, to be honest with you, like doing the, you know, during the visits.
I think I showed up last month. Yeah, as well.
It's been.
I think it was.
Oh yeah. That was when Giovanni had asked you for longer visits.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's correct. He did. And so, you know, like, I know I want to hear further about your experience of the situation, but right now I know just with this limited time, in some of the discussion that Laura and I have had, we were concerned about kind of the situation for Giovanni's emotional safety of what was.
There was no problem with his emotional safety. In fact, he doesn't really remember too much. Like, it didn't really affect him, but it was going to, and I had to put a stop to it.
Okay. So you might not agree with us, but we were concerned about that. We want to talk more about that.
Yeah, you don't need to be concerned. I mean, Giovanni had been in my care his whole life up until he was apprehended without court order, warrant, or charges or anything.
Yeah.
Okay. He was doing well in my care.
So we're not going to take all of the past right now, Paulina, because what we want to...
Well, the thing is the past is what's affecting now, right? We need to discuss this. You can't keep just brushing it off.
Well, we can talk about the visits and moving forward. I'd like to do that because I think that's the most pressing thing for you. And
well, there is a concern. I have concerns about, you know, there was a court order that was made and, you know, it's not being followed on my team's end.
Okay. So right now, I think what we need to talk about is the visit specifically for Giovanni. And I'd like to meet about that, to discuss that.
Well, I hope you don't mind that I'll be audio recording the meeting.
And I don't think we're consenting to that, Paulina.
Well, you don't have to. The Canadian law, if you understand, I guess you don't, but under the Canadian Criminal Code of Canada, I'm allowed to audio record conversations as long as I'm part of the conversation. So maybe you need to talk to your lawyer and confirm that. Laura?
We do have the right to choose.
No, this isn't the USA. This is not the USA. This is Canada.
What you choose, but
so,
what Laura's saying is...
you don't have to, I don't have to get your permission.
So, in the end, I think either way we need to talk about this.
That's fine. Well, how about we meet with my lawyer?
Yeah.
Okay?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, Gloria Gale is my lawyer, and you can contact her. Okay?
Okay, but if we do that before... We need to work out a plan for this.
I was instructed by the police.
It's actually Gloria Ickham. I made a mistake.
If there's going to be any more meetings at my house, surprise visits or not, okay, that I'm to be calling the police. Okay, you're to be waiting. I will not allow her back in. I will not allow you guys back in my house, and you'll have to wait outside until the police show up.
Okay.
That's what I was instructed to do.
Okay.
Okay?
So that's fine. If you want to do the next meeting with your lawyer, we can absolutely do that.
Okay.
We'll have to arrange it when, I don't know when she's available, but we were hoping to resolve this issue before before your next.
Yeah, honestly, I've tried to work with you guys, and the court has ordered that you guys need to work towards reunification, considering there's been no findings of child abuse or neglect ever. Okay, since I've been a parent since 1995, okay, I have tried to work with your agency, and unfortunately, there's people within your agency that have written letters, okay, since my son was born, that they have had no concerns. So, yeah, so if you guys actually read my file, you'll notice that there's people within the agency that have differing opinions than the people that are on my team supposedly working on my case. Okay, so you need to take that into consideration. And where I stand, I'm not a criminal. I am not a criminal. And I'm not a child abuser. So there are court orders that were made, and these people that are working on my case are not following the court orders, and we're being harassed. Okay? So now, from now on, we deal with my lawyer.
That's fine.
Okay.
Absolutely do that. But
as far as the visits are going, they're going really well.
Supervised. Please hear this. This is important.
Okay.
Okay. We're not okay with unsupervised visits.
Well, you can't go back because there is no. I've already made a police report. Okay. And I told you I've already contacted my lawyer and I've contacted the police. Okay, the visit was going really well until she showed up and was causing a disturbance in front of my kids. I was told by the police that I did the right thing. I could have used force to get her out of my house, and I didn't lay a finger on her. She would not leave. Okay? She was picking a fight with my on-again, off-again boyfriend. Okay? And that's why I had asked her to leave.
Paulina, can I share something?
I'm done. You can talk to my lawyer now.
Okay, so
I am done. Today's date is Wednesday, June 5th, 2:58 p.m.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.